In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this your Roblox version may be out of date error on your Windows PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is ensure that you are not using any ad blocker. So if you are using any ad blocker extension, make sure to disable it. So to do that, go to the extensions menu, click on manage extensions and then turn off your ad blocker from here. Once you have done this, refresh the Roblox game and then try playing it again. However, if you continue to experience problems, all you have to do is head to the search menu and then type in installed apps. Now select the first result. In here you need to search for Roblox. Now click this three dot icon next to Roblox and then select uninstall. Now click uninstall to confirm. Once you have removed Roblox, don't jump to install it directly. First do this. So go to the search menu and then type in cmd and then click on open. In the command prompt, you will need to run a couple of commands. I'll also leave this in the description so you can copy them from there. So first one is this one. There is cd app data local and then hit enter. Now run the second command. Now it will ask you for your confirmation. Simply type Y and then hit enter. Once you have done this, simply close the command prompt window. Head to Microsoft Store and then download Roblox again. Once you have done this, you should no longer see this Roblox version out of date error. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.